So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. You're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both these scans, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.